So in this video we're gonna repair a tire. This tire been leaking air. Have to add air about once a week or so. So we're gonna try to repair this tire. Okay, first thing I'll do is remove the lug nuts. The size is 22mm. I'll use a deep socket for that. Usually need to hit it once. Then should be able to take it off. Gonna try to find a leak, and I'll just use kind of all-purpose cleaner, but really better to use any kind of soapy water to make sure you see bubbles. And I see one right there. I got this repair kit on Amazon, pretty cheap, and it got everything you need. Those two, including pretty good instructions. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is this, I guess called T-handle spiral probe. I'm gonna use that to widen that hole. Says do it several times too. Okay, now with the instructions said, I'll dip this insert tool into lubricant. Gonna insert this one in, put this in, and I'm gonna insert it, and this should stick out about this much. Now I'll quickly pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna remove the excess. There you go. And I'll add some soapy water. And it looks good. I don't see any bubbles. Before putting the wheel on a truck, I'm gonna add air. Ridgeline needs a 32 psi, so I'll add that now, and then I'll double check again for bubbles. That should be good. Okay, 32 psi, and I'll check for bubbles again. Looks good. Time to put the wheel back on. It's really important to use torque specs for lug nuts. Mine set at 95 and it's 94 foot/pound for Ridgeline truck. And that's how you fix a tire. Thanks for watching. If you want to get the same tire repair kit, I have Amazon link in description of this video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.